So hello everybody, thank you so much for joining me on this video tutorial. I'm super excited to have you here. Today we're gonna go through the workflow of Imagen. Imagen is a software for editing photographs and it's powered by AI, and it is generally designed to help you cut down your editing hours and really just to stream down your workflow. I am Orly, I am a professional photographer and I'm also part of the Imagen team, specifically customer support. So I'm here to help you go through all this journey seamlessly, and I'm sure you're gonna find it very, very easy. So let's get started. In this video, we're gonna go through the app's interface, and I'm gonna explain to you how to get from point A to B to C and so on. And also I'm gonna explain what's inside and included in your free trial so that you can explore the whole app without any complications. So this is the Imagen interface. We are right now in the home section of the app. At the top of the screen, you'll be able to see a banner with the new features, a few photos, and yeah, just interesting things are going on in the Imagen community. And below we have the main two sections of the app. We have the AI profiles and we have the active projects. The AI profiles are the instruction manual that Imagen is going to apply into the projects, or in other words, it's the editing style that Imagen will apply into your photos. So that instruction manual lives in the AI profiles and the photos live in the projects. And below that you have the post section, which is related to our social spotlight tool, which will help you schedule and post photos that you edit within Imagen straight into your social media outlets. On the right side of the screen, we have the uploader, where you'll be able to manage the photos that get uploaded into the app. Then we have a help and support button. If you have any questions, if you're stuck somewhere, feel free to drop your question here. Then we have a notifications button, another question mark with a few other options, just like update, what's new, join our communities, invitations for other things. And finally, we have under your initials, your account settings, and most importantly, your trial edit count. If you're enjoying a free trial with Imagen, you have 1,000 photos to edit freely. You can use the AI tools on them. You can use as many profiles as you like to test them out. And also you get 2 free culling projects. On the other side of the screen, you have another vertical menu, which are the home, the AI profiles, the projects, the social spotlight, and the profile shop. So below the home, we have the AI profiles. So if you come here, you'll be able to see all the different profiles that you create, and they're called personal AI profiles. Here on the right side of the screen, you can select the option to create your own profile. You'll be able to see the light on the personal AI profiles. So these are 2 different ways of building up your personal AI profile and master the editing style. And the second option here on the AI profile section is the profile showcase. Here you'll be able to find a wide variety of what we call talent AI profiles, which are already made and tested and trained for you to use them freely however you like. So we have a wide variety. We have for weddings, for portraits, for real estate. I find myself, even if I have my own personal profiles, I come back to the profile showcase and still use them because they give very accurate results. Continuing with the vertical, we have the project section after the AI profiles, and here you have control of all the projects that you're currently editing, reviewing, and culling. So we have 2 tabs, the active and the archive. So that's pretty much self-explanatory. The active projects are the ones that you're still working with, and the archive ones are the ones that you manually send into the archive or that you're done with them. The Imagen workflow has 5 different steps, and you can see them here on the progression bar, right? So the first one is culling, the second review, edit, review, and fine-tuning. So that's the main workflow. And you can track your progress with the green circles that you have here. It will tell you in which stage of the process are you. That's everything you need to know about how to work with Imagen. And below the projects menu, we have Social Spotlight, which is the feature that allows you to schedule and post photos edited with Imagen directly into your social media channels, especially Instagram at the moment. And below the Social Spotlight, we have the profile shop. So here you'll be able to find also a wide variety of AI profiles for sale. And they are made by our very talented partners, so you can just go through them, browse, and if you're one of them you're already following online, maybe you can find their profiles and test them out for yourself. With Imagen, you can either start from the editing part or from the culling part. So you can create a project using this button here, and it will show you the different starts. Here you can access the culling feature. Just click on it and Imagen will take you through the rest of the process. What's next? The first step is to explore the app, and the second is to enjoy your free trial with Imagen. Remember, you have 1,000 free edits and 2 Culling projects for free, so that you can test it out. Welcome to Imagen community. And if you ever need anything, if you have questions, if you need support, just feel free to reach out to us. We're here for you.